Setting up a building line is the critical first step in construction, ensuring the new structure is positioned correctly and legally on the land. This process, known as setting out, uses surveying instruments to transfer the architect's plan to the building site. Hammer and wrench key surveying instruments. Your choice of tools will depend on the project's size and required precision. For high precision, total stations or theodolites are used for precise measurement of angles and distances, ideal for setting out complex or large residential projects using coordinate data. For general layout, a builder's level or transit is often most practical for residential work. It's excellent for establishing level benchmarks, checking heights, and confirming 90-degree angles. Essential hand tools: long, 50-100 graduated measuring tapes for distance, string lines for visual references, durable pegs and stakes to mark points, batterboards to hold string, markers like nails, and a plumb bob for transferring points from instrument to ground. Clipboard pre-setup, marking the building lines. Before you begin, you must locate your property's legal corners. Start by finding the surveyor's stakes at the property's corners. These are often wooden stakes flush with the ground, marked with a small nail for precision. Next, establish the building setbacks from these property lines. Check your local zoning codes for the required distances from each property boundary. 1. Measure the setback from the front property line. 2. Mark this point, it becomes the first corner of your front building line. 3. Locate and mark the setback positions for the rear and side boundaries to form a square perimeter within which the building must sit. Triangular ruler step-by-step setup with a builder's level. If you're building a house, the builder's level or transit is a practical choice. 1. Set up over a point, position the instrument at a known building corner. Use a plumb bob, or optical plummet on modern tools, to center it precisely over the marker. 2. Level and sight. Level the instrument, then sight along your planned building line, e.g., the front facade, towards a rod or stake at the opposite end. 3. Measure the side. Use your tape measure to mark the first side's length. Drive a stake at this point for the corner. 4. Create a right angle. Rotate the telescope exactly 90 degrees. This axis will form the next building line, perpendicular to the first. 5. Repeat for other corners. Move the instrument to the new corner, sight back to the previous point, turn another 90 degrees, and measure the length of the next side. Thanks. This is all time will permit us. We will continue in our next lesson. Don't forget to like and share or text to U2 Construction, and you can call +2332074969660.